go ahead and get us a nice old cold start. What's going on, everybody? My name's Ethan. Today we are going to be installing a tow hook on this baby, and as you guys can tell by the title of the video, it's a best mod for $20 or whatever, something along those lines. And honestly, I really think this is going to change the whole entire look of the car, just ever so slightly, but enough to make it look pretty sick. And yeah, hopefully that made a little bit of sense and that wasn't complete random bullshit. And let's go ahead and jump right into the install. Alright, that seems like the perfect distance to me, so let's go ahead and jump right into it, baby. So, ow, try not to break my ass cheeks. Go ahead and grab this. Take this. Come on, damn it. Fold for me. There we go. That's beautiful. So, I guess I just gotta pop this sucker off now. I see a little arrow down here. Ow. There we go, baby. Now, I don't know if I've even shown this to you guys yet, so, oh shit. So, yeah, we'll take a look at this piece real quick. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty nicely. But, yeah, just a standard red tow hook here. Let's get this puppy in here now. Oh my God, that was a lot harder getting off than I thought. So I guess it just kind of sticks in here. Maybe. So finally, after literally about 10 minutes of fiddling the fuck around, I got this shit in here. It basically took me 3 arms. This thing's gonna have to come off. Shit, son. Got this little bastard out of there. Got this little bastard off of there. Let's finish screwing her on in, and we'll see how she looks. Here's this. Do that. Hit it with a bit of that. A little bit of low hanging action. Tighten this puppy down. There we go. I got it straightened up finally. It was actually quite a bit easier than I was expecting it to be. Just had to pretty much yank the shit out of it. So here's what we're working with. And yeah, please excuse my dirty car. There's only about 88 million bugs on the front. So now that we got that puppy installed and looking nice, it's time to clean this baby up. Make her look shiny and new. Alright, everybody, that about wraps it up for today's video. We're going to go ahead and take a final look at her, get you guys a good close look at the tow hook now that she's all cleaned up and ready to go. And then that's going to call it for today's video. But all in all, I mean, damn, man, for $15, it looks pretty sweet. And as I get close to my car, I see still quite a bit of bug splats on there, so I'm going to have to go for round 2, but that's for a later date. But yeah, man, I mean, it's a pretty dope mod. 15 bucks, screws on, super easy to do. That was literally the first mod I've ever done, no experience before, so yeah. I would definitely recommend one if you guys want to change up the look of your whip a little bit. But that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I'm pretty sure I already said this, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.